and welcome to another video, and yes, the first one and the intro should hopefully be up by the time you are getting this video. So now we're just going to keep on going up to the bell tower. Shouldn't have done that. Oh yeah, 1 minute. There is a box, a very nice box. There we go. Now we'll just go up here. Maybe just sink it.
RJ, my boy, are you busy? You don't mind me calling, do you?
Oh, God.
Fantastic. You really are an excellent listener. Look, no hard feelings about the crab rangoon. I know it's not to everyone's taste. But you'll be pleased to know I had the chef executed for his incompetence.
Okay.
Or was it his family we killed? Regardless, next time I can promise you a better spread.
Kill.
Last time on kidnapping a fucking TV celebrity chef.
Okay, I'm just gonna get some meat. Even though we're getting up to the bell tower, but you never know. Never know when you're gonna get some. But yes, bell tower. Oh, all right. This is when we run and we. Typical me to do that. Typical me. Right, and jump. Woo. Even though we could just done it there. Well, that's stupid, but hey. Got 3 grenades. Oh, didn't know that. Oh. Hi, put me some rope down. Oh. Jeez. Where's the rope? Alright. Try and get up to the best of our abilities. There we go.
It's an honor to meet you, son of Mohan. I'm amazed you made it all the way here on your own. Sabal is waiting for you near the tower.
Thank you. Right, there's one of the bell towers. I like the theme to it. It's really nice. I love graphics in this as well. Lovely. I have played this. I've got another account on this. I'm actually playing on Kian's PlayStation, but hey, I've got one as well. But this is actually technically his game, so yeah. Oh, look, there's the ball, I think. He should be in there.
Ajay, you made it! Good job, son of Mohan.
Why are you guys helping me?
You're the son of Mohan Ghani. You may not know it, but that name carries a lot of weight in Kirat. Especially for the Golden Path.
Are those army guys still looking for me?
Pagan men will stop at nothing to get you back. Damn. Some of Pagan's men managed to track us. They'll be here in a second. We're in for a fight.
Right, here we go. We have to fight now. See some of my skills.
Here they come. Hold your ground.
Where? Oh. I'm actually playing Destiny as well. You're going to die here. There we go. Died. Oh god, I can never. Dead. Oh crud. To heal, I need to get some. Whoa. Headshot.
Take cover.
Oh no. Even if he's...
Avalanche!
Even if you go into the building, you still get avalanched.
You're a tough man to kill, brother.
That's a good thing, right?
And that wasn't even it, it was the prologue. Play at any post, your levitation alone with your friends to complete the leaderboard. An outpost master. The pan does the talking. Okay. Okay, so we can't move dead bodies. Oh, I'm tired.
How did you know to find me?
We saw Bacon's chopper nearby. He's never down this far south, and I wanted to know why. Lucky for you, we were in the area when we got Darpan's text. Well,
Some guy just texted me.
welcome to Banapur, home of the Golden Path.
Who's this? Where's Darpan?
He didn't make it. This is Ajay Gale, Mohan's son.
Let me understand. Darpan's dead? Hmm? And you brought me this?
I'm not involved in whatever this is. I'm just looking for Lakshmana.
We're in the middle of a fucking war. We don't have time for tourists.
What was I supposed to do? Just leave him there?
Women
I'm sorry,
problems.
brother. Amita's a little touchy. I'll talk to her. As for Lakshmana, it sounds like it could be a temple or shrine. But if that's the case, it's in the north. The north is enemy territory, and we can't get you there, not yet. Go and clear your head. Come find me when you're ready. Hmm?
The pan. Alright, so down here we've got her, and over here we've got Sabal. Crafting, we can craft something. We'll craft this because it told us to. Over here he want you to do a, what's it called, clear out a bell tower, and she wants you to, I think she wants you to help someone with the wolves. So for sake, I'm gonna do Sabal's because, you know, it's easier and stuff. Yeah. So yeah, Sabal's it is. Oh yeah, anyone who squirmished to blood, I would look away.
Fuck! Give him some morphine! And turn off that fucking radio! What happened to him?
He fell. Pagan floods the airways and we have to endure his bullshit. Enough is enough! I told him to climb up the old bell tower, take over the transmitters, hijack the broadcast locally. Except...
I can do it.
Way to step up, brother. There's nobody guarding it, but it's a tricky climb. Promise me you won't fall.
I promise. I won't.
We'll try not to fall. Right, looks like it's a bell tower it is. Now, we've got the zip wire here, we've got a quad here, or we got this, and the bell tower he wants us to climb is that one over there. Really, you could get up by using this.
Namaste.
So that's what we're gonna do. Driving vehicles, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Yeah. No, we can only use a handgun for this, so what we'll do, open the map. And we'll clear this one out. Now, the thing about quads is you can literally go anywhere, and I mean like, oops, sorry, over quad. You can literally go anywhere, but the only problem is if you're in a vehicle, you can only use your side arm. So, oop. I was looking at something else then. So I think what I'll probably do is liberate this bell tower, then end the episode. I'm trying to keep the, you know, episodes in a normal kind of, you know, so it's easier to upload and it don't really need any editing or, you know, any progressing in any way, shape and form. So yeah. And plus, I've recorded today 2 long episodes, and I'm also supposed to be meeting someone today, so yeah. I think that's where it wants us to go, but yeah. I think that is where it wants us to go. It's a long climb up. There we go. Okay, we'll need that. The grappling thing. And a bit of rope, it seems. We'll try and climb up it. Well, yeah, we'll just search this dead body. Nah, we won't swap to that handgun. Nah, this is the tricky one. You have to keep swinging. And then you have to pull up. And boom. Got a guy here, we could go. I think there's someone up already, but yeah. Wait a minute, didn't they say that it was on... I swear they said it was unprotected or all. Lying to me? I like climbing bell towers. We can't get through there. Piss off. Just try and go around because there is a poster, I think, which is apparently not here. We'll have to go around again. But yeah. But the thing is, like, if you fell off here, it wouldn't hurt you, but further up it would hurt you, so try not to be, you know, anything about it. But yeah. sewing kits. There's a guy here. I can't find this poster. See what? I mean, yeah, don't do that, because that will seriously kill you. So, I think the poster's further up from what I could tell. Ah, this is a code thing, you have to go across here. Good, good. And then climb. And then jump. Or you could just walk across that beam. Now you can walk across the beam. Now you jump up. Oh, I don't know where this poster is. But yeah, poster. Poster might be up here, but yeah, I can't see one. Ah, great. Zip tip, unless. And plus it's on wall.
Citizens are welcome to voice their opinions in an orderly and respectful manner at any Royal Army facility. No reservations are needed.
Alright, let's liberate this hijacket.
Be sure to bring a change of clothing in case.
And let's be eagle. Might want to go there. And we'll be going there at some point. And then the mist will clear. And there we go. That is a part. There we go. And yep. To clear the map and stuff, we just need to liberate all these bell towers, but we'll do that as we progress the story. Now I'm going to end it here because I'm trying, like I said, trying to keep these moderately length. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this don't know how to say this video. There we go, this video. Yeah, like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.